Welcome to Read Out Loud. Let's enjoy and have some fun. Hello, kids. Let's learn about letter E. This is the letter E. The sound of letter E is eh, eh, eh. Eh is for egg, egg, egg. Eh is for elephant, elephant, elephant. Eh is for eggplant, eggplant, eggplant. Eh is for elf, elf, elf. Eh is for envelope, envelope, envelope. Eh is for 11, 11, 11. Good job, guys! You are so smart. Alright, let's do it one more time. Please repeat after me. Egg, egg. Elephant, elephant. Eggplant, eggplant. Elf, elf. Envelope, envelope. 11, 11. Wow, that's wonderful! Good job, kids! Always remember, practice makes perfect. Thank you for watching Read Out Loud. See you next time! Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye!